Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to do a quick breakdown on some of the trades that we called in the Discord group in the beginning of this month. I know this month just started, but we're off to the races. So basically we have 6 wins, 1 break even so far on the calls that I did in my Discord group. Now if you're not part of my Discord group, there is a link below in the description area. You can go ahead and join for free. So let's go to my charts. So some of the trades that I called out usually is pre-London, London, and also in New York, because that's where most of the volumes comes from. And also I do trade mostly gold. I am kind of diversifying some of my pairs, but when you're just getting started, focusing on one pair and understanding how the pair moves is very important. So basically the first trade that I called here was a buy trade. We saw this heavy bearish momentum, and then once it hit a demand order block here, you can see the liquidity grab and then a reversal. So called a buy trade over here in the London session, and then scaled in with a second trade over here, and then it went up. All right. And then the next trade was a sell trade over here. Again, it was a reversal off the support area. And then we looked at the higher time frame, how it's forming, and then we called out this trade over here, sell trade, which brought us down with a very nice move over here. And that was around, let's see, just getting my ruler here. If you took the whole way down, that's around 40 pips. But most of the time, I would trail my stop and also put my stop at BE in around 10 pips, depending on the vantage points. But I do call that in the Discord group as well, telling the guys who follow, they can basically do what I do. Of course, you have to manage your own risk, and also everyone have different account sizes, and some people trade with prop firms, some people trade with their own account as well. So it just depends on how you want to manage your risk when taking these trades that I am trading myself. So after we saw that the support formed over here, we got in a buy trade, and then that was called out over here. And then just keeping things very simple, because this was a bearish movement over here, we took a short trade, so a quick scalp over here. You don't want to normally counter trend, but if you know what you're doing, and then we see a heavy support, or there's a higher time frame order block, we'll normally take a quick scalp over here and put our stops at break even as soon as possible, because at any time it could drive back. But even if you took this trade up, that's a nice 20 pips, right? You don't need a lot of pips every day, and you don't need to trade often as you think. So just stick with your game plan, let the trade come to you, and if you don't know why you're in a trade, don't take a trade. Now this was in New York session, so we caught those moves here. And then another one was over here. We took a buy trade. After we got confirmation it was going up. And then here we can see kind of like a consolidation, but after it whipped down, we took a buy trade over here. But we got out because there's no top wick over here. As you can see, when there's no top wick, normally usually 50-50, the price will go reverse to create a wick. So that's why we kind of got out early here as well. And in the Discord group, we do post sell now, entry, stop loss, when I go break even, when I close. So those of you who've been following me have took some of nice trades with me. And also I do record some videos as I am going as well, because it's easier that way to break it down, to show you what kind of trade and what I'm looking for, and also using the indicator that I put together for the group as well, and how to use it. So going back to my charts over here, Now this trade was really interesting. It's actually a really good management on my part. So I wanted to see a breakout over here. We did see momentum going down. I was hoping the volume would take us further, but we got around 8 pips here. But the price reversed. Now, it's still in my trading plan. I still left it open. But after this wick, okay, thinking that it will go down, but it didn't go down as expected, and I didn't have time to tell people to get out on BE. So basically, as the price went back up, I didn't like how the price action was forming. So I told people, hey, if the price come back to break even, I'm getting out at break even. So that's what I did. Once it went up, I saw the candles forming over here, and then I put another sell trade over here. So stack my position at this golden area, golden zone 618. So I did another sell trade. So as it came back, my first position was break even. I got out on break even, and my second trade was 10 pips. So that's basically plus 10 pips over here. So that's a great management over here. But if it went against me, it broke out the other way, then I would have gotten out early. And most of the guys who follow me are on prop firms. So we really focus on risk management, and the way we trade prop firms a little different than how we trade our own accounts. But prop firms really build up your understanding on how to manage your account properly. So I really like that. And you can see all your stats in the back end as well. So here's another sell trade that we took. We can see that we're selling with the trend, which is good. You can see that multiple touches over here. It never broke out. So once it broke here, we could have took a buy trade, but we took a sell trade here. Multiple touches, support level. So that was a nice trade there. And then let's see. And then the price consolidated over here. Now this was a news that came out, and then now it looks like it may break lower. So that was our trades that I called out in the group. I did call out another one, which is US 30, which played out really nicely actually. Over here it was NYSE. We saw the price go down, and then we entered over here. Saw the support formed, break of structure, and then it went up, and we took this ride all the way up. Okay, so those are some of the trades that I saw. Of course, I'm going to record training videos more in depth on how I actually spot these trades, when I take my trades, what I look at, and different pairs, different strategies that I actually implement, and it'll be recorded onto my YouTube channel. If you like what you see, and if you also want to join my Discord group, the link is in the description below. And you can see that in the group, we basically have areas where I break down my trades, and then if there's any random thoughts that I come across, I'll put it here. And then I'm going to post more weekly analysis as well. And of course, we have general chat where you can talk about different trades that you may be in, or if you want to share some info with us, you can go ahead and just engage in our group. So slowly building this out, and if you'd like to be part of this group, go ahead and join, and we can discuss more on trading currencies, indices, commodities, or even crypto. You can go ahead and let us know, and we can discuss and grow together and build this up and learn from each other. All right, so hope you like this video. I am going to record more of these breakdown videos and also different step-by-step tutorials on this YouTube channel, and hope you like it. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.